India lost years of potential progress because one company's mismanagement created nationwide fear of innovation. While other countries accelerated their construction capabilities using advanced manufacturing methods, India's building industry moved backwards, returning to slower, more expensive traditional techniques. Just when the country needed faster housing techniques, the insight became clear. Precast technology wasn't the problem. The problem was bringing traditional construction mindsets to advanced manufacturing processes that required completely different approaches, skills, and management systems. The misconception didn't just hurt one technology, it showed down India's entire construction revolution when we needed it the most desperately. The solution isn't abandoning innovation, it's demanding proper execution, ethical practices, and genuine expertise from the people who implement it. When precast concrete is handled by qualified teams with transparent processes and honest intentions, it delivers exactly what India needs. Homes, schools, hospitals built faster, stronger, and more affordably than traditional methods. India's construction future depends on learning from Amrapali's failures and choosing partners who understand both advanced technology and moral responsibility. The construction revolution isn't dead. It just needs leaders who prioritize delivery over profit, competence over shortcuts, and community benefit over personal gain.